Hey, what's up guys? It seems that I'm into the Windows tips and tricks these days. Today's video, let me show you how to rename files and folders in Windows 11. I'll be covering all the possible ways to rename a file or folder, from the slow motion to the quickly got it done. So let's dive in. Way number 1. Right click and click on More Options to rename a file or folder. If you're in Windows 11, normal right clicking will bring you to the context menu. But you don't see the renaming option right away. You have to click one more time on the show more options, then click on rename to get the work done. If this is your previous habit with renaming a file or folder, then maybe you need to change from the way number 2 down below. Way number 2. Use Shift with right click on your mouse, then choose to rename. I know that you really want to change your habit right now, but let's just slowly change it, okay? This way number 2 will bring you back to the old context menu. By holding Shift key plus right click on the mouse, it will show you the option of renaming. Now just enter the name and hit enter again. Now let's move to the way number 3. Way number 3. Still right clicking, but then choose the renaming option from the top selection menu bar. So head over to the file or folder that you want to rename. Right click on it. Now see the top selection. Next, clicks on this icon of text editing to rename the file or folder. Of course, enter the name and hit enter again. Can't wait for a faster way to rename a file or folder anymore? Head over to the way number 4 down below. Way number 4. No more right clicking. Just do this. Navigate to the file or folder you want to rename. Now, one left click on the file or folder. Next, press on the F2 key and rename as normal process. Well, still have to click this and that. Follow the way number 5 then. Way number 5. One click on the file or folder to rename. I know that your habit is right-clicking and renaming, but here's the fastest ways to rename a folder or file. Just click on the naming part of a folder or file until you see the text box hover. Now enter the name and hit enter again. And that's it. One click only. And that's it for today's video guys. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos later on. Bye for now.